Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize any icon on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open any blank document. To customize icon, at first you have to insert a icon. Just click on insert tab and then click on icons. From here select any icon. If I select it and then click on insert. Now if you want to customize your icon, you have to just select it. After that click on graphics format tab, and that's it. Now from here you can customize your icon. If you want to change your icon style, just click on this arrow icon and then choose any icon style. If I select it, and you can see the icon style has been changed successfully. You can also change your icon fill, icon outline and outline effects from here. Also, if you want to increase or decrease your icon size, you have to just put the cursor here, and using this simple method you can easily resize your icon, and that's it. And that is how you can customize icon on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.